You alright guys? Sorry about the get up, just finished one of my football sessions and I've got a bit of a drive today. I've got to drive over to the other side of Birmingham because I'm going to pick up a DC Sports 421 manifold for my car. And I know those that have watched the channel for a while will be saying like, hang on, you, or may have seen my other videos even, will be saying like, oh, but you got a Toyosports one on there, why do you need to change it? Well, first and foremost, the Toyosports one is destroyed. It is blowing heavily, I don't know if you guys hear it now, but it is blowing heavily, so I had a quick check over and I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure one of the welds have snapped. But I wasn't 100% on, so I took it somewhere, got it put on a ramp, checked it over, and yeah, one of the welds has clean snapped, so it's just blowing out of there. So that's flashing up. And also guys, on top of that, I'm aware that the DC Sports ones are one of the best ones you can buy for these EP3s. So that's why I've gone out my way to buy it. But yeah guys, I'm going to shoot over there now and then I'll get some footage in that, and when I bring it back I'll probably give it a quick clean up and that, and we'll get some footage there as well. So
here we are guys, nice new flexi welded in. Just been getting the seat wrap off, and as well as of course it's a bit of WD-40 does the trick. But yeah, not too shabby. Could do with a bit of a clean up, so probably spend today cleaning it up and whatnot. Alright guys, so got the heat wrap off and just got a little kind of box slash bucket here with some soapy water, and obviously giving it a bit of a rinse off. Yeah, it looks good. You know, all the welds are nice on it. Brand new flexi put in. Not too shabby at all. So yeah, I just can't wait to get this on the car now, to be honest. Really can't wait to get it on the car and see what it's going to be like.
So as you've seen, I've had the manifold fitted now, and to be honest, it sounds nice. I like it. To be fair, in patches I was worried because you just never know what to expect when you had something on. Like I remember before, had things done and then you're like, oh, I don't know now, I don't like it. But yeah, man, I'm really pleased with that. I do really like that. It's deep, and especially when VTEC comes in, you can tell a slight difference in the power. But yeah, glad I've got it done. And obviously I'm in two minds about maybe getting an ECU and getting it mapped, and obviously that's a part of the process, putting a 421 on there, especially a well-known one like DC Sports. So that's why guys. So yeah guys, that's another big part of the process, adding a 421, and obviously that's something which helps when you're getting it mapped. But yeah guys, glad that's done. I'll probably get a couple of drive-by videos and things like that in. And obviously the main thing as well is that we no longer got a blow from the front, and instead we've replaced that with a really good manifold. So that was the most important thing of all. Okay then guys, so you'd have seen now how the exhaust looks, how it sounds. Really pleased with the purchase, and I would advise this to anyone if you are looking at getting a manifold for your EP3. Save up, get a good DC Sports one. Well worth the money, a lot better than the last one I had. Not going to say too much about that, but that was, to be fair, bit of a disaster. It didn't sound great, and obviously really didn't hold its value in terms of reliability and durability, because I had that repaired a couple of times, and you know, there's no way I was going to go through and have it done again. So yeah guys, DC Sports, I'm going to take a punt that I'm going to have quite a few people asking questions and things like that, so I'm going to basically explain a little bit of it now. Yes, it is a 421 decat manifold. It is a decat manifold, because I know there'll be a few people who question, well, is it a decat manifold on my car, decating, etc, etc. Yes, it is a decat manifold. Yes, you can tell the difference with performance, mid to high range RPM. So just before VTEC and going into VTEC, yeah, you can tell the difference there. Yes, it does alter the exhaust sound, but quite a nice one. As I said, a lot better than the last one that I had, which made it absolutely sound tinny and really raspy and all that. So yeah guys, if you are looking for a manifold, as I said, go out, look at DC Sports ones, and have a gander at them, because well worth the money. Early impressions, but really pleased with it, and I couldn't explain that enough to you guys. So that's something that I think you should all definitely look into if you are going to go down that route and get an exhaust manifold. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'm really hoping that now I can stay active. I have a lot of stuff going on. I'm not going to delve into it, but people who know me or close to me will know what's happened, and they'll know that I've had a tough few weeks trying to sort things out, and plus with the amount of work, it's hard to balance everything. But I'm really hoping I can just stay active now and get a fair few videos out. So if there's any videos that you guys want to see, then drop a comment below and we'll see if we can get it done. But other than that guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this really helps with your view on DC Sports manifolds, and I will catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. I've been PrttsTH. Peace.